morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 23rd of June. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Valenti Farms. Valenti Farms in Needham. For all your garden needs, you can still plant. Plenty of time, and the ground is a little bit more moistened up after the rain of last night. So for today, we do have showers, possibly a thunderstorm, mostly before 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. We should see anywhere from a tenth minimal up to a half, maybe 3/4 of an inch if you get lucky in one of those thunderstorms here. Not a ton of rain, but it's just going to add to the totals. I'll give the full totals tomorrow when we take a look at everything. And then tonight we clear out after being in the 70s, falling back to the 60s later this afternoon. And then as we head for the overnight hours, upper 50s to mid 60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, 80 to 85. Real nice day. Thursday, mostly sunny skies, 82 to 87. There may be another little round of showers briefly here Thursday night or early Friday, then partly sunny, low 80s. Right now, Saturday, partly sunny, temperatures in the mid 80s. I can't rule out a shower, but generally dry. And then Sunday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 80s. Could be up near 90 early next week. So all in all, a summertime pattern, and humidity levels are going to be noticeable throughout the entire time. I don't see a lot of dry air. We may dry out a little bit here for tomorrow with that northwesterly breeze, but dew points are not really going to get super dry anymore, and that's typically what happens here later on in June. Have a great day, everybody.